Hi inJoypreneurs! Today we will be showing you ideas for a coconut shake series. Syempre with our inJoy Buco Milk Shake. First, let's prepare our crushed ice. Pour in water into our blender and add in our milkshake. Mix well and add our crushed ice. We will be mixing different flavors together with our Buco Shake as a base at magugulat kayo kung gaano ito kabagay. We have cookies and cream, mango, strawberry, avocado, and cappuccino. Let's top the drinks with buco strips for that refreshing feel. Now ready to serve. Try this in your business.